A sitemap tells Google that how your site should be crawled, what is important, what is priority. And let's see how to create a sitemap. For site with less than or up to 500 pages, you can create a free sitemap using xml which is a sitemap generator. And as we're doing it for Columbus, let's take the link and take the link from here, copy it, paste it here, and start. So if you see, all the pages would be scanned and it will give you a file. And since it's a free tool, in WordPress, again, your sitemap would be added automatically, and also you can use Yoast plugin. And then further, we can submit the particular sitemap to Google using Search Console. At this moment, let's see how to create a sitemap, how sitemap looks. Meanwhile, our sitemap is getting ready. We can see some sitemap. Let's say sitemap.xml. So if you see this sitemap, here you can see the syntax. LOC here refers to location. And there are different priorities for particular pages. So they have this kind of sitemap. And maybe if you want to check more sitemaps, you can check more. And WordPress has a by default sitemap which is added. You can also see some other sitemaps. See this. It's a normal, very light syntax which says sitemap, location, like what is the location, and then last mod. Location would be particular URL. Last mod is last modified. That's how they have created this sitemap. So now our sitemap is done, completed. I've seen here, and I'll download it. So if you see a preview of the sitemap, again, it's saying that when was the page last modified and what is the priority. By default, priority of home page is 1, and of all other pages, the priority is 0.80. The priority lies between 0 to 1, and maybe sometime you want to change the priority of a different page. And if you see these different more pages, they have priority 0.64. So you can change the priority and upload the sitemap again. So if you see this, let's see the sitemap. That's how our sitemap was created, as we saw. So you can see this location, last mod, priority, and it's a simple syntax. But in WordPress, you definitely would automatically have the sitemap. All you have to check here is, since we have downloaded the Yoast plugin, you can go to General and see in Features if the sitemap is on. So it's on here, and here you can see how your sitemap looks like. So these are particular sitemaps. If you see the post sitemap, pages sitemap, category, and author, and you can see directly here, okay, what are the images, when was it last modified. So here your sitemap appears, which helps Google to know where it has to visit first and how it should proceed, how it should see your website.